So we've been talking about extrusion, revolve, and sweep feature. So we need a profile sketch that defines the region that is filled with material. And if we extrude that linearly, then you'll get extruded feature. Or if you revolve it about an axis, and you'll get a circular part. And if you add another sketch, and if the profile moves along this path, you'll get a sweep feature, and you need two sketches to create this body. So all three features have one profile feature. So along this protrusion, the section of the part will be always same. What if we want some variations of the section? Okay, we want to go from this rectangular shape or some rounded shape and different shapes along the way.